What's up, YouTube? My name is Kenny J, and this is KennyJTV. So I wanted to hop on here today to talk about how my day went today in the life of an insurance agent. I've been getting really good feedback about how these videos are helpful and how you guys really enjoy them. I still am gonna do my sit down videos as well as my informative videos as well. But wanted to walk you guys through how my day went. So today I had a few meetings this morning. Didn't have any client meetings scheduled today, but that was with a purpose. So today was all about marketing, and I feel like marketing is one of the most important things insurance agents can do in order to build their book of business. So what I focused on today was social media, reaching out to a lot of captive agents. So it was a big virtual marketing day for me. I've never had to just spend sole time on marketing virtually, but I was like, hey, you might as well try it out, especially with the pandemic going on right now. So reached out, sent out a lot of emails today to captive agents because, as you know, or if you don't know, when I worked for a captive agent, I was unable to insure a lot of people, and they had preferred agents to send them to on the independent side. So I'm trying to build that relationship and that referral partnership with these companies so they're able to trust me. And also I did assure them that, hey, if you do send someone over here, I promise to only service them for and sell to them the products that you sent them for. I'm not gonna be the one to try to steal business or anything like that. It's very good to be upfront about that because they could be skeptical. I mean, imagine you own a pizza shop but you don't sell, let's say, rolls, and another pizza shop reaches out to you and says, hey, if you have anybody that wants rolls, send them over here. You may think, hey, they can get it all in one at that shop, so why would I send my clientele over there? It's pretty much the same thing. So sending out a lot of emails, of course, when you are marketing and sending out emails, you're not gonna get a ton back. I did get about 3 back already, and I just finished. So I was sending them out for maybe 2 to 3 hours, just researching different agents. And the beauty of insurance is I'm licensed in 3 states. So I'm in Charlotte, but I'm able to contact someone that is 4 hours away in North Carolina because they still are in the territory that I am insured in. And you can do everything 100% over the phone. You can do everything virtually with e-sign, DocuSign. These companies have made it very easy for us to do everything, especially with the pandemic. You know, a lot of people aren't comfortable meeting with their agents during the pandemic, so we want to make sure that we are following the restrictions and the guidelines for, the pandemic, and as well as reaching out to different agents, which is one of the biggest referral sources. I also do reach out to my warm market, reaching out to my followers, reaching out to my friends that may not have their life insurance in place, because today that's what I'm solely focusing on, is life insurance, because I've seen so many times even personal friends of mine have passed away and didn't have any life insurance in place. Actually had a friend pass away. He had a really good high-paying job, just started maybe 30 days ago, and 30 days ago from when he died, but as you know, it takes 90 days for all of your benefits to kick in. So unfortunately, when he passed away, he did not have that life insurance in place, which is why it is very important to get life insurance outside of your current job, because let's say something like that happens, or even if you leave your job, if you do bring your life insurance with you, it's at a very high rate. I remember when I left my first job, wasn't in insurance yet, but they had the option for me to convert my life insurance over to a permanent life insurance policy, and it was honestly unaffordable. I think they do that with intent because they don't necessarily want you to take it. So make sure that you get a personal policy outside of your job, as well as a personal permanent policy has that cash build up and the money works for you. So people like Walt Disney started his company from his life insurance policy. JCPenney saved his company, JCPenney, when the Great Depression hit because he had that money invested in that policy. So marketing is definitely the name of the game. Marketing is what sets agents that are not doing so well to agents that are doing amazing, especially in the social media times that we're in now. So I've actually had a few older agents reach out to me and trying to get help with marketing because they aren't as tech savvy, but they see that the newer agents that are thriving because of social media. So I recommend one day out the week, take time out to market. I definitely do plan to go out into the field and market as well, go to different local restaurants, go to different businesses as well, and just market and pass out my cards. But today I wanted to start out virtually and definitely write down some places I want to go, because I don't want to drive 20 minutes one way and then have to drive 20 minutes back the other way. So definitely want to get like a route and plan, and definitely write down a spiel that I have and get to know these companies. So that is a quick synopsis of how my marketing day went. I have a few more people to reach out to, but the results of it were well so far. So I have set a few meetings for the rest of the week, and hopefully we'll be binding somebody. And if you don't know what binding is, it's when you finalize the policy and take the payment and you submit it to underwriting so they can review and go ahead and issue that policy. So I have about 2 to 3 people reaching out to me this afternoon. Once they get off work, they want to review what they have, and then we will go from there. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me in the comments below, as well as my personal email and my company email will be listed as well. Follow my insurance Instagram for live updates of a day in the life of an insurance agent, cool tips and tricks, and just different cool things that I post on there. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for my latest notification. Again, my name is Kenny J, the insurance guru, and this is KennyJTV.